morning, children of class 5th. I hope you all must be fit and fine. Surely taking all the necessary steps to take care of yourself from COVID 19. Now, commit to the point, all of you. Now, we start a new chapter of English text. Chapter 1, named as We Shall Overcome. Basically, in this lesson, we talk about a beautiful and inspirational song. This poem, which is in the form of a song, inspires us to face a tough situation with courage. This song is a gospel song which became a protest song and a key anthem of British rule in India. This song was translated into Hindi from English by a renowned poet Girija Kumar Mathur as Hindi. हम होंगे कामयाब. Student, this is an inspirational song which helps us to courage our tough problems and solve all the tough problems which is come in our life. Student, let's we read the lines of this poem. We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. Students, in the following stanza, the poet says that he has no doubt about his success. A day will come when we will succeed in getting over all the problems of our life. Student, now I explain you the second stanza of your song. We walk hand in hand, we walk hand in hand, we walk hand in hand someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we walk hand in hand someday. Students, in the given stanza, the poet says that he has firm belief that a day will come when the differences of thoughts will end and all the people of the world would move together with love and peace. Then, now I explain you stanza 3. Read it with me. We are not afraid. We are not afraid. We are not afraid today. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we are not afraid today. Student, in this stanza, the poet says that the time has come when we have no fear of anything. We have attained the state of fearlessness. In the given stanza, the poet says that he was not afraid because he wants to develop a feeling of hope and triumph in the face of adversity. And now I explain you stanza 4. The truth shall make us free. The truth shall make us free. The truth shall make us free someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe the truth shall make us free someday. In the following given stanza, the poet says that a day will come when all the people of the world would know that what is the truth, what is the true, and this truth would make us free from all the illusion and all the bad things of the world. Now I explain you our last stanza. Read it with me. We shall live in peace. We shall live in peace. We shall live in peace someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall live in peace someday. Students, the poet says that in the given stanza, he has firm belief that a day will come when all conflicts among the people of the world will end and all the people of the world will enjoy the peaceful state. Student, this is exercise of your book which can you find on the page number 113 and 114. I want to be speak you fill all the exercises of your book. You can see. And student, I want to say is that one more thing. Students, the words which are I have highlighted in the chapter, you must be written in your copy in your copy as word meaning, including chapter number and chapter name, and complete. Student, you all complete your work properly and positively by tomorrow. Don't pending your work. I hope you all are understand. Thank you so much all.